Okay, so I am back and I'm going to show you what I got with my D23 membership this year. It renewed, and every year when you renew, you also get what they call as the new membership boxes as well, because I mean obviously you're renewing, and they want to give you the treat too. So this is what you end up getting. This has inside your card and your welcome letter, and I think, not mistaken, yeah, it's like a official welcome placard or whatever to the thing. But basically you get your little membership card. You'll want to keep that, so when you go to the parks or whatever and you might have limited edition items that you can purchase, they'll ask you sometimes for the card to show it. Sometimes they don't ask, but you know, most of the time if I'm getting like collectible pins that are just D23 type pins, then they do ask me for the card, and then they'll check your ID as well. So just make sure that you always keep your card, but you'll get this in your box with it. It also has, like I said, a little certificate that says like you're a member of the fan club, and you'll get that no matter, you know, if you are renewing or if you are actually just signing up for D23 and this is your first year and you're getting this welcome kit. Let's take a look. So this is the box that came this year. It's very big. I don't know if anybody remembers last year's renewal box was the statue of Mickey. It was like a silver statue. If not, I'll put the link into my into the description of this video, and you can kind of check it out. But this is dun, 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 this year's theme, magic and mystery. So let's open it up and see. I don't know. It's got some sort of little card here. It is opened. Ooh, countless combinations. What will you conjure? Well, that's weird. Alright, let's take a look. Oh, look at this. That's neat. That's a very neat. That's neat. Okay. I wonder. Okay, it says magic. Oh, as I bent the cardboard now, but I don't think I need that. Okay, it says. I have no idea. Alright, let's open this and see what's in the little trinket box. Oh, okay. I've no. Oh, I think it's a Triton. It's a pin, by the way. And then obviously this is Bella and Jeannie lamp. Ooh, they're heavy. It's pretty heavy. So, if you want to see it, can you see it? And this is the other pin. Okay. So okay, so that's what came in here, and they are very heavy. And I've got playing cards. I wonder if they've got, I'm sure they have pictures. They must have pictures of Mickey and friends. Let's take a look. I don't actually really have a lot of playing cards. I do have a pair of Pirates of the Caribbean playing cards. Let's see. Oh man, they seal them up really well. But they do. They have a little, look, Cheshire Cat is the Joker. That's pretty cool. Alright, and then this is the other side, which just says D23. Oh no, I cannot open these. They're sealed very, very well. Alright, come on. Oh my gosh. They are sealed very well, and I did not bring my scissors. I really need to keep a pair of scissors when I open these boxes, don't I? Oh, my dog is, sorry, Angel's having a coughing fit over there. Alright, you know what? I'll just open those later. Obviously, it's got the characters, because it's going to be that. And then, let's see, so, there is a collectible figurine. It was all started by a mouse. Oh no, I am going to, oh, am I? Yeah, I am going to need scissors. Pause. Okay, I cut it open. So let's take a look. It still doesn't want to open. What the heck? Oh, okay. Oh, wow! How cute is that? It is a figurine of Fantasia. How cute! Yikes. That's a super cute little figurine. I'm not gonna pull them out yet. So that's cute. And it was all started by a mouse. So this is the mouse that I get. And then this was in one box. And then in your second box, what do you get? What combination are you going to get? So you could get any one of these figures. So I wonder who I'm gonna get. It's either any one of these. It's a mystery. So let's take a look and see. Oh, I thought I opened this. Oh, I did. Opened it on this side. Ah, okay. I got the genie. That's funny. Okay, so I got the genie and the sorcerer. How cool. So yeah, so this is I think everybody gets the sorcerer. And then this is the box that's the mystery. So you can get one of the four characters here. And I got the genie. I did go grab my scissors, so I was also able to open the packet, and as you see, some of them, not all of them, but the ace is Tinkerbell. These are just regular. These cards are just regular. Looks as though the face cards come up. Jack. Ursula's Vanessa from Little Mermaid. Oh, we have the skeleton, the Halloween King, Pumpkin King. And that's a king. Ace is Fairy Godmother. Oops, I dropped her on the floor. I'm surprised there's 52 cards, I think, in a deck. You would think that they would have Mickey and Minnie in here, but yikes. They do have Hades. Hello. Oh, they have the wish, the star. How cute. That would be my favorite. The star. Oh, they got Mushu. Oh, they have Jafar, and the other Joker is the Kakamora. So, yeah, actually, I mean, obviously I didn't look through all of these, but I didn't see any Mickey or Minnie in here. But that's a cute little deck. That's a cute little deck of cards. Yeah, so I also wanted to show you guys, I did, along with this month, the quarterly magazine that comes with it. So when you do subscribe to D23, you will get magazines like this. They're very nice. They're obviously in special wrapper, so they want to keep them safe. They don't send them like this. It comes in a cardboard shipping envelope, and then this is what you'll find inside, but they do like to keep them nice. This is obviously about Tiana's adventure, and it has all sorts of information inside. I'm gonna guess that they have the making of the ride in here. Which which is like this. It'll look like this. And they also do, obviously, advertising for their shows. Where is it? Agatha, which I do want to actually see this show. It's going to be on Disney Plus. Agatha, it's the Agatha one. It's the, I don't want to say sequel or whatever. It's the conclusion, I guess, of WandaVision. If you saw WandaVision, spoiler, at the end, you know, Agatha's still there in Westbrook, I think, or something like that. And so this is obviously how she gets out. And let's see what else is in here. Oh, look, it has the museum. For any of those people that are in Northern California, here is the Disney Museum. It is at the Presidio. It's actually a very cool place to go. So anyway, the magazines are very, very nice, as you see, very glossy. And they pick a subject that they'll go through. Obviously, Tiana was the newest ride. So we'll see what, it comes quarterly. It doesn't come very often, so you'll get that, and then you will get your renewal when you get your renewal gifts. And that is it. So anyway, thanks again for watching. Thanks again for hanging out with me. I will see you in the next video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!